Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a glass bar effect in Adobe Premiere Pro using just a few simple steps. I already have a video placed on my timeline. First, create an adjustment layer by clicking the New Item button. Keep the default settings unchanged and click OK. Then drag the adjustment layer onto the clip in the timeline. Next, go to the window menu and make sure the Effects panel is enabled. In the search bar, type Transform and apply the effect to the adjustment layer. Now open the Effect Controls panel. Under the Motion section, disable the Uniform Scale option. Then set the scale height to 155, scale width to 30, and rotation to 25. After that, under the Transform settings, increase the scale value to 125. Click on the stopwatch icon to create the first keyframe, and decrease the left value until the effect moves completely off the screen. Move the playhead to the end of the adjustment layer, and increase the value until the effect travels fully to the right side of the screen. Finally, duplicate the adjustment layer twice by holding the Alt key and dragging it above. Preview it to view the final results. And that's it. Thank you for watching.